Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be doing some skincare. I just got out of the shower, hence why my hair is in a towel, but I wanted to put a mask on and I was like, you know what, let me just record it. I haven't put a video up in like 2 weeks, so I was like, let me do some skincare today. So we are going to be using 2 masks. One I have used before and the other one I have not used yet, and a couple other products that I will be using after I do the masks. And if you want to hang out with me and do some skincare, then please keep watching. Okay, so the 2 masks that I'm going in with are both from Pixi Beauty. This first one that I will be using is the TZone Peel Off Mask. It's a pore purifying mask. So you put it on and it's one of the ones where it hardens and then you can peel it off. And then the other one that I'm going to be putting on the rest of my face is also from Pixi, and it is the Glow Mud Mask. And both of these I got sent to me from them, so thank you very much, Pixi, for sending these to me. The Glow Mud Mask I have not used yet. The TZone one I used once before and I really noticed a difference. It took like everything off of my nose and my nose was so soft afterwards. And this Glow Mud Mask is a pore clearing, glow revealing mask. It has aloe vera, ginseng, and mineral rich mud combined to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin energizing mask. And it's great for congested, dull, tired skin, and for all skin types, which is great, so everybody can use this. My skin is super dry lately and not shiny and glowy, so I'm like, you know what, let's put this one on. And if you want to know about the TZone peel off mask, it is also a purifying peel off mask. It detoxifies and draws out impurities and peels off to reveal immediate results, which is true because I did notice right away everything disappeared on my nose. So I was like, yes, love this. So I will be using these 2 masks today and I'm going to be applying them. This is a dual-sided brush from Sephora and I always use this. It's like technically like a foundation brush, but I always use this to put on masks just because it's easier. Sometimes I use my hands too, but I'm just going to be using this to apply it. First, I'm going to apply the TZone mask, and it's like this really cool green, shiny, pearly looking color. So I am going to put a little bit on here first. You want to put a nice enough amount though, because you need to be able to peel it off properly. So I am going to apply this first on my nose area. I love masks. They're like my favorite thing. And I'm just going to slightly bring it on the side a little bit. And then I'm going to bring it up on my forehead. Like I said, you want to make sure you have a decent amount of product so you are able to peel it off. That's the only thing with the peel off ones. You have to use a little bit more. So now that that is applied in my congested areas, I'm going to take a paper towel and just wipe off any excess that is on this side of the brush. Now we are going to go in with the Glow Mud Mask. I think this is like a charcoal color, if I remember seeing what it looked like online. And we are going to apply this to our cheek area and our chin and around my little mustache area there. Yeah, it is like a charcoal type color. And I'm going to brush that on the rest of my face. Now that we look obnoxious, I am going to let this sit. They each say for about, does it say? The mud mask says about 15 minutes, and I'm pretty sure I could leave this on for about 15 minutes until it completely hardens anyway, the TZone one. So we are going to leave this on for about 15 minutes, and then I will come back with you to wipe it all off. Okay, we're back, and now that my skin is as stiff as a board, I am going to peel this off and then wipe this off. You could just use like a damp cloth for this. I like wet mine in warm water. I'll show you guys in a minute, but first I'm going to peel this part off. It's so satisfying peeling this off. So I'm just gonna kind of get a good spot with my nail and then start to peel. Whatever excess doesn't come off, you can just wipe off with a rag, but I try to put on a thick enough layer to kind of get most of it off. It's not too much on my forehead. It's my nose that Not so fun when you have a nose ring with these peel off ones. Let's see. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. Oh, it's gross. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but there's like all these little white heads on there. You can see all the holes too from my pores. Just hanging out in there. Sorry, it's so reflective because it's like a pearly mask. I'm just going to wipe the rest of the mask off on my face. I like this one. It comes off so much easier than other ones. Like some like mud masks and charcoal masks, like you really have to rub your skin. This comes right off, unless it's this like washcloth. I don't know. All right, now that I have everything off my face, I'm liking that mud mask too. It looks, my skin feels baby soft. Like I love the way that peel off mask for my TZone. I love the way it makes it feel. Literally, I feel like there's nothing in my pores on my nose right now, and I use that. So like I said, I've used it once before, so this is my second time in about a week using it. So it says you can use it 1 to 2 times a week, which is really nice. So I used it Saturday, and now today is Wednesday, so I've used it twice in a week basically. And I love it, and I'm really liking this mud mask. Now you never want to forget to moisturize after you do masks and things like that, because now you want to seal everything in and hydrate your skin and just lock it all in. At night I use more creams than I do during the day. I use basically 1 or 2 creams in the morning when I wash my face, and I use the same cream at night, but then I kind of like layer things up. So I am first going to be going in with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I have a small one right now. I am on my 3rd big tube, like big square bottle of this. This is the best thing ever. I love this, and I have dry to normal type skin, so this is really nice and hydrating for people with dry skin. So I am going to be using this first, and I'm going to use a nice size amount. I really like to glob this on my skin, so I kind of rub it in my hands and massage it in. I kind of pull up a little bit, you know, you don't want things sagging, so I kind of just pull up around my nose. I'm not going to bed yet, but I will be showing you one other thing that I will put on right before I go to bed. I use this one about once a week, sometimes twice a week, and I put it on right before I go to bed. So I'm going to put this on right now. Then, oh, quickly, I forgot to put this on before that. I'm going to be using this Kopari coconut lip, like chapstick, lip balm, whatever you want to call it. I love this stuff. I'm actually almost out. And I'm going to apply that to my lips. Then next, I'm going to be going in with this product that is kind of new to me, but I've been using it for several months now. And this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Cream. And I love this. You want extra hydration? You use this guy. I've used this before putting on makeup, before I use my primer. I love how this applies onto my skin, and it kind of just really hydrates everything. So I'm going to just take a dab of this on my finger, kind of just put it in 4 spots on my face, same thing. Massage it in, and it just kind of hydrates the skin even more. I'm going to use one more thing just because now that it's springtime and the weather's changing, my skin is extra dry, and this is amazing. This is the Badescu facial spray. You can use this as a primer, as a setting spray, just as a facial spray in general to kind of just hydrate and moisturize your skin. This is the one with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I've used the other ones as well, but I have this one now, and I just love this. So I'm just gonna spray my face, kind of just add extra moisture to it and get all of that stuff seeped into my skin. I do want to show you guys one other product that I do have. This Dan's sister sent to me because she has sensitive skin and she wasn't going to use this. But this is the Korres Wild Rose Night sleeping facial mask, basically. So it's like a lotion, it's not a lotion, it's like a thick cream that you put on your skin and you leave it on all night, and then in the morning when you wake up, your skin is so amazing. I use this about twice a week as well, once to twice a week, and this is what it looks like here. This is a pretty pricey product. I don't exactly know how much this is, but I know you can get it at Sephora, and she gave this to me because she doesn't use it, and she got it in her FabFitFun box for last month. And this is, let's see, it's a vitamin C, a brightening sleeping facial. That's exactly what it is. So it's basically a sleeping mask. You just put it on and you let it all just seep into your skin, which I really like, and I've never used one before until I started using this. And it has this really nice little top on it, but there's a lot of product in there, which is really nice, and a little goes a long way. You can use a generous amount, but I kind of just put like a dab on each side and then just rub the rest of it in and kind of bring it down to my neck. Love it. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that product. It is really good. Okay, so that is it for this mask with me video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I just wanted to sit down, film a video of me masking. I'd never done like a skincare video like this before where I put on masks and stuff. And I just wanted to share the products that I was using with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And let me know if you guys want to see more skincare videos. Like I said, I want to do more videos than just makeup tutorials. So maybe I will do more of those, like maybe a morning one and a night one, and go more in depth of some of the products that I use, because I do use a lot of different products. But yeah, now I'm going to blow dry this hair. And thanks again for watching. And until next time, I will see y'all later.